Healthy living starts with healthy water. Luxuriously fresh, wonderfully clean, filtered water for your skin, your hair, and all of life's little messes. As seen in Self magazine and on Dr. Oz, Aquasana shower filters protect your skin from exposure to harsh chlorine that can cause excessive drying. Your hair will be noticeably softer and shinier, and your color will stay true and last longer. From the moment you lather to the moment you towel dry, you can now shower in the clean, healthy water your body craves. Our coconut shell carbon media is NSF tested and certified to reduce contaminants. It's also eco-friendly, so you can know you're doing good for the environment while doing good for your body. Choose from our premium massaging shower head or handheld wand in chrome or white. Enjoy multiple massage settings to customize your shower experience. Using your own shower head? We have a solution for that too. Replace your filters every 6 months to keep your shower flowing with clean, healthy water. It's time to love your hair and skin again. Purchase your Aquasana shower filter today.
Miniwell filtered shower head. Restore your beauty via showering. We select the natural coconut shell. Use special treatment technology. Finally, manufacture first-class carbon fiber filtration media. Remove impurities, remove 99% chlorine, superfine water flow, flush the test strips for 10 seconds. No chlorine detected in the filtered water. You don't need to endure the unpleasant odor anymore. Replacement reminder indicates when to replace the cartridge. Visual window monitors the filtration situation. Miniwell filtered shower head. Let you have the natural spa experience at home.
Hi, I'm Tom Wayman with Pelican Water Systems, and I would like to introduce you to our market-leading premium shower filter. As you know, one of the most important things we can do is to protect our skin and hair from the damaging effects of harmful chemicals in our water, such as chlorine. Well, our premium shower filter removes those chemicals, the chlorine, the chloramines, and their byproducts from your water. No more dry, flaky skin or brittle, hard-to-manage hair. With our shower filter, you'll have softer, smoother skin. Plus, as an added benefit, it eliminates any unpleasant odors from your water as well. Let's take a look at some of the other advantages to having this beautifully designed shower system in your home. Our system reduces 96% of the chlorine in your water for 15,000 gallons, the highest on the market. No other shower filter can match that. We have a dual flow shower head where you can switch between high flow or water conservation. Our shower filter does not reduce water pressure. It also has a refreshing aromatherapy scent bar that you can choose to use or not use, and an easy-to-use quick connect fast filter change, along with a handy accessory clip. And you can still hang your shower caddy with our system. With Pelican, you can have softer skin, plus healthy-looking, shinier, and more manageable hair, all from a spa-like shower experience in your very own home.
What's great about this shower head is that it is not only made of pure metal, but it also has built-in filters within it with its 15-step filtration system. The filter within this shower head system will actually reduce algae buildup in your bathtub or shower. Not only that, but it will block gross sediments, ammonias, carbonates, and all those bad things that are not only bad for your hair, but for your skin and the actual air that you're breathing while you are showering. If you suffer with dry, itchy skin, this shower water and its filter is gonna help you to feel better and look better. Now, if you're anything like me, you're of course gonna want safe water for your pets and your children to bathe in. So with this new shower head and its filtration system, you can rest assured that the water they are coming into contact with is safe, clean, and filtered properly. Now, just as important as the filtration process is the flow, of course, of the shower head. I promise you're gonna enjoy every shower from beginning to end. The flow is great, the water comes out smooth, it is just the right pressure, and you leave each shower feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. An awesome feature that I love about this shower head system is that it is so easy to install. So with its awesome packaging, you can give it very easily as a gift of any kind. One simple, quick, easy, and satisfying gift.
Dan Carlin here, founder and CEO of Invigorated Water. Allow me to introduce our shower filter range. So we've got 2 filters in the range. We've got our pH Energize shower filter ball. Now this one allows you to use your existing shower head. So whether you're using a handheld shower head or one of those large rain showers, you can use this shower ball with those. Very, very easy to install. Simply unplug your existing fittings and plug these ones in. Really, really simple. Super powerful filter, really long filter life. Then we've got our pH Rejuvenate. Now this one obviously is a filtered shower head. So this one means you no longer use your own shower head and you'd be using this one. It's got some neat features like a stop-start button, really powerful filtration material built into the shower head, and it includes a bracket and a hose, everything you need to get up and running. And once again, really easy installation because shower fixtures are pretty standard all over the world. And just like the Energize, the Rejuvenate has really long lifetime filter, and it has really, really strong, powerful filtration abilities. Now, you can use these separately, but we do have a lot of customers that use them together, having the Rejuvenate at the top and the Energize at the bottom, so that you've got a really, really powerful shower filter combination. And the result of these is a really luxurious shower experiences with soft hair, skin, and scalp. So there you have it, they're our shower filters.
So today I want to talk to you about this awesome luxury shower filter from AquaHomeGroup. There are so many amazing benefits. Let me see if I can fit them all in right now. Some of the benefits is this filtration system is super, super powerful. There's actually 15 stages of powerful filtration. And one of the amazing things is the filter in itself actually has vitamin C and E in it. So it's really good for your skin. It actually helps condition it. Your nails look great and your hair stays nice and soft. So that's one of the really amazing benefits. Another thing is that the filter actually helps boost your immune system with one of the stages included in it. So some other benefits from these amazing stages of filtration, it actually helps purify the water, it removes the chlorine, and because of that, it helps reduce dry, itchy skin and actually reduces eczema. So when you get your brand new filter, it comes with 2. So once you've run out of time with that one, 12 to 16 months is a really, really long time you get to benefit from them. You just unscrew the cap, super easy, pop in the new one, and you are good to go. Another great thing with this is I just want to tell you, since I've been using it, my skin has never been so soft. My hangnails, I hardly get them anymore, and my hair is really, really soft, silky, and smooth. It's nice because I don't have to use so many products in my hair like I used to with my old shower head. I really love my new shower filter, so if you want to benefit from all these amazing things, go out and grab yourself one today.